After watching my previous video, hopefully you're in a good profit right now. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD, the most popular currency pair. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner, you have no idea about the functioning of the market, then please do not risk your hard-earned money. Before that, just watch these videos. Okay, I have a playlist in my YouTube channel, Forex and Stock Learning Course for Beginners. I have uploaded around 32 videos. So if you're a complete beginner, you have no idea about the functioning of the market, then please watch these videos. I have uploaded, okay, about the chart patterns, support and resistance indicators. At least you'll get a basic knowledge about the functioning of the market. So before risking your hard-earned money, please learn about the market. And if you want to learn from me personally, then you can go to my website avilashhajarika.com/workshop, and you'll get the required information. Okay, so let's jump to the chart then. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and if you're in a profit right now, then please enjoy the profit. Okay, you do not need to think anything else. Okay, but but do remember, being a trader, you should always be flexible. Okay, yes, I mentioned that you should enter here and this will be your take profit target. Okay, but do remember one thing, that anything may happen in the market. In case you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, and if market starts coming down from here, then you may need to exit at this price level, because see, the utmost important duty for us, or the main important thing that we need to do here, is that we should keep our profit. Okay, you should be profitable. That is your prime target. Okay, so in case before reaching the target, market starts reversing, then it is your duty to exit. Okay, do not be a blind fool. So if market starts reversing from here or here, okay, you can exit in the middle. On the other hand, if market is going fine like this, okay, if you see that market is not struggling, it is going fine, then your target will be this 1.2240. And for those traders who did not enter and looking for fresh position, then I'll have to explain the things again. Okay, so just look at the chart and you can see that overall market is an uptrend. There is no doubt about it. Okay, and as I always say, okay, market is in uptrend and we should always be looking for area of value, whether market is in uptrend or downtrend. Whenever you look at a chart, okay, just try to find out the area of value. In an uptrend market, the area of value, okay, the area of value is always near the support, and in a downtrend market, the area of value is always near the resistance, or the best trading opportunity is near the resistance in down market. So in this market, or in this uptrend market, we can see that market is getting support from the 50 moving average. See, so 50 moving average is a valid support for the market. Okay, so that's why I recommended to buy Euro USD at this particular price level. Okay, and if you have missed the particular spot, then you should not go ahead and buy right now, because see, right now market is in the middle. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn a line here which is a resistance. So if you go ahead and buy here, your stop loss will be here. Okay, and this is your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. Your stop loss is bigger than the take profit target. You are going against the discipline. So this cannot be your trade. This is not your ideal buying position. And on the other hand, you cannot short the market, because market is an uptrend. If you short the market, you may get trapped. Okay, always remember one thing, always follow the trend, never go against the trend. Okay, if you are an experienced trader, then that's a different chapter. Okay, if you know how to do scalping and all, then you can go for counter trend trade. Okay, counter trend trade. Otherwise, if you're beginner, okay, if you're beginner and you're struggling to make money in the forex market, then always stay with the trend. Okay, so Market is in uptrend, therefore no short call, no selling opportunity for us. Okay, only buying. We will only be looking for buying opportunity. Therefore, market is in middle. This is not the ideal position. So what do you need to do then? You'll have to wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average again. This is your first best trading opportunity. Okay, and the second trading opportunity will be above this line. Okay, 1.2240. This is your second best trading opportunity. In case, okay, in case when market will be hitting this particular level, in case you see that market is struggling again, market is unable to cross the line, market is suffocating. Okay, and if you see that market is heavily under the influence of sellers, then you can go for a quick profit by shorting the market here. But if you are a beginner, complete beginner, then do not trade, do not short the market at this level. Okay, this may be risky and you may get trapped. Okay, so first trading opportunity is wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average and then go for a buy order. Secondly, wait for the market to cross this particular level, 1.2240 level. When market will be crossing this level, wait for 3 to 4 hours, 5 to 6 hours. Okay, just wait and watch and just observe the price. If you see that market is in market is not struggling, market has crossed this level, 1.2240 level beautifully. Okay, price is not struggling anymore, then you'll get a confirmation that resistance has become the support and you can go for a buy above this level. But right now market is in middle, market is trading here, therefore you need to wait for the market either to come down to the 50 moving average again or wait for the market to cross this particular resistance level. This resistance level is important because this resistance level is also present in the weekly chart. Okay, because see, if I take you to the weekly chart, you can see that market made a high here. Okay, after the market came down, market is going up again, but market is struggling at this high again. So this high is kind of a problematic for us. Okay, so let the market cross this level. Okay, let the market cross this level, then we'll go for a fresh buy above this line. There's again a resistance. Okay, but I'll be discussing that resistance tomorrow. We do not require the resistance level as of now. So wait for the market to cross this level or come down to this level. These are the two best trading opportunities as of now. If you are an experienced trader, you can short the market at this level, but if you are a beginner, avoid it. So this is it. Market is still in uptrend. That's the good news. Let's see where the market goes. Okay, so as of now, if you are in a position, enjoy the profit. So see you tomorrow again. Bye bye, take care.